Happy learning and good day. This is Leo T. Solihon and I will be your teacher for today. And welcome to the quarter 1, week 1, day 1 lesson. And today is the opening salvo for the school year 2020-2021. As grade 7 learners, you need to be the best of both worlds in adopting new lesson. And that's all about break one's neck through learning analogy. To start with, as a learner, you need to know first the learning objective, which is to supply words or expressions to complete the analogy. Then, we need to dazzle, yet drive to unfold learning. Anyway, what can you observe or notice in the pictures? I know you can do it. I will give you 5 seconds to think. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exactly right. It is all about partners or pairs, similarities or differences. It means to say there is relationship involved. So what is analogy? At this moment, we need to knock someone out of learning analogy through its definitions and importance. And now, take a trip down to your memory lane as I give you the 3 salient points. The first one is to show relationship between words. I know you don't have a short-term committed relationship or a long-term committed relationship because I know you are just grade 7 and your target today is to acquire new knowledge, to gain an understanding, and to unlock difficult code for your future. Second, it is a comparison of 2 things to highlight their similarities. And lastly, analogies can help you learn new words if you first determine the relationship between the words. So, here we go! We need to discover a pair of words in a straightforward technique. In the cornerstone, you need to focus the first word, then try to realize the second word. For examples, high is too low, the other one is near is too far. Now, what can you observe? I will give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Exactly, they are opposite. Now, you can read it like this. High is the opposite of low, just as near is the opposite of far. So the question is, what is the relationship? You've got it! They are antonym. An antonym is a word opposite in meaning to another. For example, good is to bad. How about this? Hour is to minute. Pound is to ounce. What is your idea about it? I will give you again 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Precisely! An hour is comprised of minutes, just as pound is comprised of ounces. So what is their relationship? Absolutely. It is a part to whole or whole to part. How about this? The next words. Fork is to eat. Shovel is to dig. Undoubtedly, you use the fork to eat just like you use the shovel to dig, right? So again, what is their relationship? Indeed, their relationship is object to function. Then the next word is herd, then cows, and orchestra, then musicians. That's right! A herd is made of many cows, just an orchestra is made of many musicians. Therefore, their relationship is group to individual. And lastly is flamingo is to bird and grizzly is to bear. So, we have noticed that the flamingo is a type of bird, just as grizzly is a kind of bear. So their relationship is Types of animals. To muse over, always remember that the double colon splits the analogy into two parts. The first part is the left-hand side of a double colon, and the second part is the right-hand side. So do not be confused with the pattern. Always scrutinize the relationship of each word. Congratulations! Good job! You are learning with our lesson today. Congratulations! Listen attentively for an in-depth analysis of our lesson. I will give you an examples. All you have to do is to spot or mark an essential technique in terms of relationship. As we go through our lesson, we need to study the types of or relationship in analogies. The first one is part or whole relationship. It shows two things are connected. One is part of others. For example, hand is to arm and foot is to leg. The second one is the antonym. And the antonym shows two things that are opposite. As simple as on is to off, sturdy is to weak. The third one is synonyms. It shows two things that are similar. For example, tiny is to small, gigantic is to big. You've got it? The fourth one is cause and effect relationship. Take down notes. That cause explains why something happened, and effect explains the result. For example, rain is to flood, sun is to sunburn, and that is cause or effect relationship. How about this? The effect or cause relationship. The example is improve is to practice, then heal is to treat. The fifth one is noun and adjective relationship. It features a noun and an adjective that describes the noun. For examples, mouse is to small, then elephant is to big, and that is noun or adjective relationship. The other one is loud is to mouse, then silent is to rooster, and that is adjective or noun relationship. The sixth one is tool or user or objective or user relationships. It includes an object or tool and a person or a creature who uses it. For examples, hammer is to carpenter, torch is to welder, and that is tool or user relationship. How about this? Chalk is to teacher, microphone is to DJ, and that is object or user relationship. Wow! You are surmounted with a catalog of knowledge. Congratulations! This, a tool or action relationship, shows a tool and an action it is used to complete. For examples, crayon is to draw, pencil is to write, and that is tool or action relationship. The other one is sing is to microphone, film is to camera, and that is action or tool relationship. And lastly, a tool or object relationship shows a tool and an object it is used with. For example, hammer is to nail, wrench is to knot, and that is tool or object relationship. The other one is can is to can opener, and hair is to brush, and that is object or tool relationship. Pick up your understanding. Always remember the following types of or relationship of analogies. It comprises with 8 types of relationship. The first one is part or whole relationship that shows two things are connected. One is part of the other. Number 2, antonym shows two things that are opposite. The third one, synonyms, which shows things that are similar. The fourth one is cause or effect relationship. Take down notes with number 5. Noun or adjective relationship, which features a noun and an adjective that describes the noun. Number 6, a tool or user, or an object or user relationship, which includes an object or a tool and the person or creature who uses it. Number 7, a tool or action relationship, which shows a tool and the action it is used to complete. And lastly, number 8, a tool or an object relationship, shows a tool and an object it is used with. Congratulations, right? That's a learning prowess you need to maintain your fascination and strategies or techniques in terms of memorization. Congratulations again. And that ends our lesson today. Did you understand? Is that clear to you? I hope so. But if not, you may go back to the lesson presented in your module. If today's lesson is very clear to you, then wait, I will give you something special. Wow, a finger heart. You deserve this. Again, this is Leo T. Solihon saying, do not forget to smile and pray to complete your day. Good luck and happy learning!